Hey guys, a little update today on the fake twins. Both of the tank got a little improvement, I would say, and today I would like to show you and share with you a topic that doesn't get so much focus. This is also found when you have a computer and you are doing a setup, you are talking about cable management, but in fact, when you have tanks, and especially did-it-yourself tanks with a quite high-tech equipment, life support system, then you have the same problematic of cable management, clearly. So today the focus will be more oriented on the ground. I would like to show you, before here in the middle of the tank I had one cable with a splitter, and everything was on the ground with a potential risk in case of water flow. And it does happen times to times that you get a shortcut whatsoever. And even if the tank are working on a battery right now, and this is what you can hear, I will explain you in a few minutes why. It's never a good idea to let your power and electricity system running in the water. So as you can see, no more plug, just one cable connecting one tank to the other one, for the reason that this is a main power cable here, and as you can see, this is hauled vertically in this direction in order that in case of water split or whatsoever, it's not coming in the connection, as you can see. So it's coming from here. Here you have the symmetric system. This is a main power cable for the discus tank over there, meaning that we do have two cables, as you can see, that are running here up behind the tank over there. And basically this time I put something a little bit nicer, and it's bring here both of the tank are on this splitter, well integrated behind the bubble. And here this is a smart plug, the main one for each tank, in order to get an idea about the power consumption of the tank. And by the way, something that I observed lately, I change all the wood panel, and you see this is way nicer, this is cleaner, and I don't have so much space. I don't have any space, in fact, between the panels, and such little difference made 1 or 2 kilowatt per day of difference, especially for the discus tank over there. The water is warmer, and when you open the panel, you really can feel the heat inside. It's just because the sump is open, and also because I have a secondary tank over there. So it's a lot of loss of energy, and you have to warm up again the system, explaining the consumption, especially here in Germany. This is quite normal. You are losing a lot of evaporation and so on. So by the way, since I played a little bit with a power plug, as I showed you, in fact the system turn switch on autonomous provided by here the battery. So maybe 1 or 2 hours above the 12 hours that it can last, and this is enough that when you turn back on the main grid the power of the tank, in fact you are charging back your battery simultaneously. You are providing directly the energy to the pump, the DC pump of the sump. And here this is with a little aeration, so this is the extra noise that I can get today. So this time I will do it short, and it was a topic of today: cable management for aquarium, did it yourself aquarium, a topic that doesn't need to be focused and properly thought in advance. Otherwise, when you have to change, it does cost a little bit more energy compared to what you could have done directly from scratch if you have spent a little bit more time on the paper trying to find out. This one is really noisy. You can hear the charger of the battery. Yes, that's all for today. Hope everything is going fine at your place, guys. Ciao.